LaunchJacking is a highly profitable affiliate strategy where you piggyback on the massive search momentum of new product releases. But the traditional method relies on a heavy manual grind. You have to blindly hunt for offers, reach out to vendors for approval, and sit through hours of writing reviews from scratch. For beginners, this friction leads to immediate overwhelm. Without a structured process, the blank page syndrome sets in, and most campaigns are abandoned before they ever go live. This old approach essentially assumes you are already an expert copywriter with an established reputation, making it difficult for new affiliates to compete. LaunchJackerAI is a $17 system that proposes a different route, replacing that manual friction with a structured, interactive 5-step AI workflow. This split screen shows the comparison. On the left, the manual grind. On the right, the AI gears. We need to see if this tool actually removes the guesswork, or if it just generates faster, lower quality noise. We will evaluate this by directly comparing the traditional manual methods against this new AI framework across 3 specific points of friction. The central question is whether trading intense manual labor for a structured efficiency engine actually leads to better results. The first major hurdle is finding the right product and securing an affiliate link from the vendor. The traditional approach involves hunting through affiliate calendars like Muncheye and sending cold emails, which often leads to high rejection rates for new accounts. This consumes days of research on potentially low-quality offers, and without a track record, vendors are likely to ignore your requests. This diagram shows the LaunchJackerAI alternative, using a SPY scorecard to objectively evaluate offers and a 6-line approval email template for outreach. This process filters out unprofitable launches and provides a specific outreach framework, reducing friction. But the trade-off is that these templates still require professional execution to be effective. The AI provides the exact script to use, but the responsibility of managing those vendor relationships still belongs to you. Once you are approved, you face the second hurdle, writing the persuasive review pages and email sequences needed to sell the product. Traditionally, affiliates rely on static PDF prompt packs. These often feel generic and leave the marketer to figure out how to apply them to a specific niche. This is a massive time sink that often results in robotic, uninspired copy that fails to engage potential buyers. Looking at our flowchart under the review node, the system utilizes an interactive AI assistant and an 8-section review framework. You answer guided questions, and the system maps that data into the framework to automatically generate a structured campaign. Here, human editing is mandatory. You must review the output to ensure the final copy sounds relatable and matches the specific tone of your audience. The system provides a way to bypass the blank page in minutes, but you must still act as final editor to protect your conversion rates. The final hurdle is the competition. You have to convince buyers to click your link instead of someone else's. A common beginner mistake is promoting a launch with a bare affiliate link and no extra value. Buyers will often leave your page to find affiliates who are offering helpful bonuses, which means you lose the commission. In the Publish node, the system encourages a 5-piece bonus stack methodology, using built-in AI tools to help create those incentives. This creates a more competitive incentive for the buyer, making your review page a more practical choice. While the AI helps build the offer, you're still responsible for driving the initial traffic through search engines, social media, or YouTube. You are getting access to high-level promotional assets, but the job of bringing eyes to the page remains yours. LaunchJackerAI is designed to reduce the operational friction of affiliate marketing, turning a week of manual setup into a few hours of work. This quadrant chart helps determine who should consider this $17 investment. For the beginner, the guided workflow provides the structure needed to get a first campaign live without getting stuck on technical details. For the time-poor optimizer, the 11-tool suite can speed up the process of generating reviews and emails, allowing for more frequent launches. If you prioritize speed and a structured workflow over the trial and error of manual grinding, this tool stack offers a significant efficiency gain. Do not buy this expecting effortless, push-button income. It is a powerful mechanical engine, not a magic trick. While the software simplifies the campaign-building process, the effort required to generate traffic still rests on your shoulders. Think of this as a workflow multiplier. It is meant to handle the heavy lifting of content creation, so you can spend your time building an audience. LaunchJackerAI can solve the problem of a blank page, but your success will depend on how you utilize the time it saves you.